Good afternoon, everyone. We will be talking about sine of an angle applications, typical applications. Let's see. Applications. First type of application, there are two types. Number one, I will give you angle B. Angle B is 30 degrees, and I will tell you that the side opposite to angle B, side AC, is, let's say, 5 centimeters. So given, you know how we organize ourselves. Angle B, measure of angle B is 30 degrees, and side AC, as I said, is 5 centimeters. What is required from you is, I wanted to find BC. How do I find side BC, which is this one on my diagram? I don't know how much it is. Okay, so solution. What do I do? Well, we just talk about sine. So most likely I need to use sine of angle B. What was the definition of sine? It was opposite over hypotenuse. Do we remember that? Sure we do. So let's see in this case, sine of B. Do I know angle B? Right, it is sine of 30 degrees equals opposite. In my case, opposite is 5 centimeters divided by BC. Now, I want you to grab your calculators, and if you grab your calculator, you will see that you have the function sine 30 degrees. Press that and you will see that sine of 30 degrees is 1 over 2 equals 5 over BC. Okay, so now I have one equation with one unknown. Let's see what I can do. I can divide both sides by 2. So that will be 1 equals 10 over BC. Now I can multiply both sides by BC, and I get BC equals 10 centimeters. There you go. First type of applications, we found the length of a segment. Good. Second type of applications, this time we will find an angle. So two sides will be given and angle B will be unknown. I will tell you that side AC is, let's make it not that nice, square root of 3, an ugly number, and side of BC will be 2. These two are given. So let's write our givens. What's given here? Side AC, as I said, ugly, square root of 3. Side BC, not that ugly, 2. What is required this time? I wanted to find for me the measure of angle B. Can we find that? Well, of course, we want to use again the ratio that we introduced, which is sine B. What was the definition of sine B? It was opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, how do I use that? So, sine B equals, what's my opposite? My opposite of angle B is, of course, AC, which is square root of 3 divided by, what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is 2 in this case. Now carefully, here it comes the tricky part. Angle B will be given, the measure of angle B will be given by sine to negative 1, the inverse function of square root of 3 over 2. Now don't be scared. because this is something that you have on your on your scientific calculators. So if you use the sine to -1 on your calculators, you will see that angle B is 60 degrees. Angle B is 60 degrees, which we wanted to find. Okay.